Hi children, good morning all of you ma. Okay, in previous class we will discuss about exercise 1.3 successor and predecessor. Today we will discuss about exercise 1.4 patterns. What is patterns? What is patterns? What is patterns? Pattern means continuation, the given number, continuation numbers or skip counting numbers or missing numbers. Patterns means the given numbers, continuation numbers or skip counting numbers or missing numbers. Okay. For example, we will take some numbers. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, next. See ma'am. These are the values. First value 2. First one 2. Next number 4. 2 and 4. These two numbers, what is the difference? 2. 2 add to 4. 2 add to 4. Next add to 6. Next add to 8. Next number 8 add to next number 10. Next continuation number 10 add to 12. Next continuation number 10 add to 12. Next continuation number 12 add to 14. 12 add to 14. This is the continuation pattern. The given numbers, first two numbers we will take. First these two values, difference 2 and 4. What is the difference 2 and 4? Plus 2. 2 add to 4. Next add to 6. Next add to 8. Next add to 10. Next add to 12. Next add to 14. This is the continuation numbers. These are the continuation numbers. This is the pattern. This is the pattern. Another one. See ma. Once observe this pattern. Once observe this pattern. Which place value will change? Which place value change ma? Tens place value. Changing the tens place. 3. Next to tens place value. 4. Next. Ones place value same value. Tens place value is change. First one 3. Next one 4. Next one 5. Next continuation pattern 6. 68. Next to 78. Next number 88. Next number 99. Okay. First two values. What is the difference between ma? What is the difference? First two values. 10. 10. These two values difference 10. 38 add 10 48. Next to 48 add 10 58. Next to 58 add 10 68. 68 add 10 78. 78 add 10 88. 88 add 10 99. Okay now. These are the continuation pattern. Okay. These are the continuation pattern. Next one. $456. See ma'am. See this value 456. Next one 356. Next number what ma'am? Which place value change? In hundreds place value. Which place value change? Hundreds place value. Tens place value, ones place value, same. Tens place, ones place values are same. Only hundreds place value change. First one 4. Next 3. 4 and 3. 1. So 100. Less 100. 456 minus 100. Answer is 356. Next, less 100. 356 less 100. 256. Next, less 100. 156. Okay, now this is the continuation pattern. This one is the reverse pattern. Okay, now reverse pattern 456. Next, reverse pattern 356. Next one 256. Next one 156. This is the forward. The continuation pattern is the forward pattern. Next, this one is the backward. This one is the backward reverse pattern. Okay, now is it clear, ma? Patterns 3127, 3125, 3123. Next one, what, ma? These two values, how much difference, ma? Thousands, hundreds place value same. Thousands, hundreds place value same. Which place value change? Tens place value also same. Which place value change, ma? Ones place. Ones place value is change. See, ones 7. Next value 5. 7, 5. Subtraction, reverse pattern. Okay. 3127. Next one 3125. Next, subtract 2. 3123. Next, subtract 2. The given value subtract 2. Now the answer is 3121. Okay. Next, the given value subtract 2. Next value is 3121 minus 2. 3119. 3119. This is the reverse pattern now. This pattern is the reverse pattern. See, 3127. Next one 3125. Next one 3123. Next one 3121. Next one 3119. Second one. $8,775, 8,875. Next one, Seema. First observe the given values. First observe the given values. Which place value change? What is the difference between the two values? Okay. 8,775, 8,875. Which place value change? In hundreds place value. Which place value change? Hundreds place. Hundreds place value, Seema, 7 and 8. Next continuation number, what, ma? Next continuation number 7, 8. Next continuation 9. 8,975. Okay. Next continuation number, what, ma? Next continuation number 9,075. 9,075. Next continuation number 9,000. 9,175. 9,175. This is the continuation pattern. First we will take the given numbers. These two is the given numbers. First First observe the given two values. First observe the given two values. 8775, 8875. Which place value you change? Which place value you change? In hundreds place value you change. Hundreds place value number what? 7. Next number 8. Next continuation number what ma? 9. 7, 8 after number 9. The given value thousands place, tens, ones, same values right? In hundreds place value change. 8975, 9075, 9175. Okay na? The difference between 100. These two values difference between 100. Add 100 ma. 775. Next 875. Next 975. Next switch. Continuation. Next one. 9878, 9873. Next 9858. The given values is 9878, 9873. Next 9858. First observe these two values. First observe first two values. Okay ma? Which place value change ma? First value and second value. Difference between. The difference between the value is 78 and 73. Subtract 5. Subtract 5. Reverse pattern ma. This is the reverse pattern. 9878. Subtract 5. 9873. Next value. The given value subtract 5. 9868. Okay. Next the given value subtract 5. 9863. 9863. Next subtract 5. 9858. This is the reverse pattern. This one is the reverse pattern of backward. 9878, 9873. First these two values difference what ma? Minus 5. 78 subtract 5. 78 subtract 5. 73. Next subtract 5. 68. Next subtract 5. 63. Next subtract 5. 58. This is the backward reverse pattern. This one is the continuation pattern. This one is the continuation pattern. Add 100. Add 100. Next add less 100. Okay. Is it clear ma? Patterns. What is patterns ma? Patterns means continuation numbers or skip counting numbers or missing numbers. Okay. First we will take the value 3127, 3125, 3123 and dash. See first two digits ma. First we will take first two digits. Observe the two digits. What is the difference? First two digits. What is the difference? The first two digits. 3127, 3125. The difference between 2. The difference between 2. 27 minus 2, 25. Next. 25 minus 2, 23. Less 2. Second value 1 by 1 less 2. 3125, 3123, 3121. This is the reverse pattern. This one is the reverse pattern. Next one 8775. Next one 8775. Next value 8875. 75. These two values, what is the difference? In 100, 775 and 885. These two values difference plus 100. These two values difference 100. Now add 100. 8,875 and 100. 8,975. Next one 9,075. Next value 9,175. Next, see next one 9,878. Next value 9,873. These two values, what is the difference? 78, 73. What is the difference, ma? Subtract 5. Minus 5. 78 minus 5. 73. Next, 73 subtract 5. 68. 68 subtract 5. 63. So 9,878. 9,873. 9,868. Next one 9,863. The continuation patterns and reverse patterns. Is it clear, ma? Okay, today class completed, ma. Thank you.